All right, pictures are from Hyderabad. We'll be going across to them. The Congress workers are sitting on a star. Remember, this has got to do with the National Herald case, in which the party is saying this is nothing but vendetta, where the ED had charge-sheeted Rahul and Sonia Gandhi, named them as an accused, and Congress workers intensifying the stir over this matter. Workers up in arms against the Enforcement Directorate. High drama in Hyderabad over the National Herald case. Abdul has more on that. Abdul, the Congress workers have said that they will protest across the country. Right now, protests have broken out in Hyderabad. Just tell us, what do you see around you? What's happening? Where exactly are you?
Well, on the call given by AICC, the Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee has called in for a protest. As you can see, all the Congress leaders, including ministers, MLAs, have sat down on protest in front of the ED office here in Hyderabad, demanding that this National Herald, the names of Sonia Gandhi be taken back from the charge sheet that has been filed in National Herald case. So let us talk to the minister here, Telangana minister here, and get to know what exactly is their demand. Sir, what is the demand? What is your demand?
अरे बोल दिया ना मैं.
What is your demand here? What is your demand, sir?
They will fight. We will condemn it. We will fight it. We will fight it as per the law.
So here, as you can see, that the Congress leaders here have sat in protest with placards, ED down, down, and several other placards that you can see here. Amit Shah down, down. These placards are being displayed, and huge, display of protest here in front of ED office in Hyderabad. So all the Congress leaders here are protesting. So as you can see, that these protesters are demanding that the names that have been given have to be taken back, and the suppression that the BJP government is doing to the agencies must go back is what the Congress is demanding. So as you can see, slogans being raised, heavy police deployment can be seen in front of the ED office. Let me show you the premises of the ED office here, where heavy police deployment has been done. And on the other hand, the Congress leaders are starting to protest and many other placards that you can see here, where masteries on dangerous iniquity is what they are. Sonia Gandhi is what the placards are being displayed by the Congress leaders and Karyakartas here. This is the chanting of the Congress leaders here. So this is the demand that the Congress has put forward.
All right. In fact, we'll just go back to Abdul in a moment from now. These are pictures coming in from Hyderabad, where Congress workers are protesting. Now, remember, there's been a lot of back and forth between the Congress and the BJP over the fact that the ED has finally registered a charge sheet in the case, in the National Herald case, naming Sonia and Rahul Gandhi. There is a drama that's playing out. The Congress workers now sitting on a star there. This is intimidation, says the Congress party, on the ED naming Gandhis in the National Herald case, and that's the reason why workers of the party are sitting on a protest, are sitting on a dharna. On the right side of your screen are pictures, in fact, from previous pictures, in fact, of Rahul and Sonia Gandhi along with Mallikarjun Kharge from a previous event. On the left side are pictures coming in live from Hyderabad. It's intimidation by the Prime Minister, says the Congress, on ED naming Gandhis in the National Herald case. The Congress has called the seizing of the assets of the National Herald a state-sponsored crime masquerading as the rule of law, is what the Congress has said. A series of reactions coming in.
जब हमने ये कहा कि साहब ये पैसे से आपने वर्करों का हिसाब नहीं करा, मोतीलाल वोरा से हमने कहा, तो उन्होंने इस बात पे देखा कि हम पकड़ा जा रहे हैं, मशीनें नई मशीनें गायब हैं, कहाँ रायपुर में लगाई, कहाँ लगाई, ये नहीं मालूम. तो उन्होंने राहुल गांधी को सलाह दी कि आप यंग इंडियन एसोसिएटेड जर्नल बना लो, क्योंकि इसका जवाब मोतीलाल वोरा को देना पड़ेगा, इसका जवाब राहुल गांधी को देना पड़ेगा. तो वो जो ईडी को जो पकड़े कि तुम्हारा एसोसिएटेड जर्नल जो था वो उसका उड़ाला कहाँ गया. हमें खाली तसल्ली मिलती रही कि हम बात करेंगे आज तक.
तो ये उनको डरा के रखने के लिए वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये बीजेपी कानून छोड़ के काम कर रही है। ये इसके लिए हम डट के मुकाबला करेंगे और जो चीज़ गलत है उसको हम गलत साबित करके रहेंगे।
Big tamasha of BJP, clear political vendetta. Everybody know that this case is completely a false case. Nothing is there in there. Therefore, they want to take revenge on their political enemies. They are misusing the agencies to target the opposition.
This is just vendetta politics. It is very, very clear. I mean, when they want to divert attention, they come on to Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi ji. Why is the ED going after only opposition members, opposition political leaders, and not whoever is there? Now, we never said Ajit Pawar is corrupt. The Prime Minister of India said Ajit Pawar is corrupt. And when he becomes part of the Bharatiya Janata Party government, the case is withdrawn.
ये जो ईडी के अधिकारियों को जाना पड़ता है पर्ची लेने के लिए कि अब क्या करूं, अब किसके घर पे जाकर बैठ जाऊं, वो जो कहा था ना केस्ड पैरेट सीबीआई के लिए, अब ये वायलेंट पैरेट्स हो गए।